Hi, I'm Priyadashini. Today we are going to see kids lunchbox special Soya Pulao. Come, let's get started. Today I've taken 20 high. Here I have the whole spices. So we are adding that. Sliced onion. Close the lid. Switch on the stove. Set the audio thumb in the roasting window. Wait until it reaches the roasting window. So you can see I've connected my phone as well. You can monitor the cooking via our AMC Cook and Go app. You can download it through Play Store app. Now you can see it has reached the roasting window. So I'm switching off the audio thumb. Reduce the flame. You can see our whole garam masala and onions are roasted. Now add in green chilies, ginger garlic paste, one tomato slice, saute it for a minute. Add in soya chunks which is soaked in hot water to make it soft and remove the excess water. Few green peas, turmeric powder, coriander powder, garam masala, mix this well. Add mint leaves, chopped coriander, 1 cup of rice, add required amount of salt, I've taken 1 cup of rice. I'm adding 2 cups of water. So mix this well. Keep the flame on the higher side. Now I'm going to close it with Secquick lid. This is 20 cm Secquick lid. So I'm setting up the audio thumb in the soft window for about 1 minute. Once it has reached a soft window, we'll reduce the flame. You can see I've connected my phone as well, so you can monitor the cooking via our mobile app. Now it has reached the soft window. Reduce the flame. Press any one of the buttons so that the sound disappears. Now you can see our cooking is finished. Switch off the audio thumb. Switch off the gas stove. We will wait until it is depressurized. Now you can see the pressure is gone. So healthy, tasty soya pulao is ready.